THRU News at 6 o'clock. Let's get back over to Dave because we got a wild week of weather.
We do indeed, and we're right in the middle of it. In the middle of it's not too bad right here where we're sitting, 76 downtown. We have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies over the city. Kimberly Novich in Como coming in at 68. She says it's a fine spring day out there. But take a look at this map. Between now and Friday, we've got advisories for fire, ice, and wind all over the state. We're expecting that to really kick in gear once we get into tomorrow. Now, today we've got a few thunderstorms firing up down around Watts, southern Colorado, and there might be a couple south of I-70 right along the Palmer Divide that start to kick up here in the next couple of hours. So we're watching that. Nothing really severe or significant today. You still got to be careful with the fire because it's dry out there and a little spark can take off. Big change Friday is a big trough of low pressure already bringing rain and some mountain snow into the Pacific Northwest. Now ahead of it tomorrow, we're caught between this high, the low pressure trough, and with the approaching front, the wind is really going to ramp up across Colorado here, and that'll kick up the fire danger for tomorrow. So that's the highlight tomorrow. Then tomorrow night into Friday, the front comes through, rain and snow over northern Colorado with a little low pressure area that kicks it in gear on Saturday. So it keeps us going with the moisture all the way through Saturday, the way things look. So 2 days of water coming our way. Now let's start with tomorrow. Now we've got a red flag warning for almost all of southern Colorado down here. Winds can go 45 to 50 mile per hour on the gust down there. Then once we get into tomorrow, this area here has a fire weather watch for tomorrow. So I'm thinking by morning, this is going to go red flag, and it includes Denver in the front range here. Some of our foothills could see 60 to 65 mile per hour gusts and more like 40 to 45 here in the Denver metro area out across the east. Now with this front coming through, we already have a winter storm watch for some of the northern mountains and higher foothills here. Late tomorrow night into Saturday morning could be 6 to 18 inches up here in the Rocky Mountain National Park area down through the north side of Winter Park, and then from Winter Park into Summit County and the mountains of Park County, 4 to 12 inches. And again, late tomorrow night into Saturday morning on that. The Denver metro area, I'm thinking we're going to get a little rain snow mix. We might have an half inch to an inch of accumulation on the grassy areas in some spots, especially on the west side. But more importantly, Friday through Saturday, water content's going to be really good. Some area in Denver, all the way up to Fort Collins, could see up to an inch of water by the time we get to Saturday afternoon. That'll be great to see. Today, though, partly cloudy, mostly sunny, 84 in Fort Collins, 82 in Lakewood, 79 in Parker, it looks like. And then you can see the heat on the fringes, east and west, a lot of 80s and 70s with mostly 60s and 70s up in the mountains. So we'll be 81 today. There is a slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm, mainly to the east and southeast side of town. 88 tomorrow, fire danger goes up. First alert weather day for Friday for cold, wet, and we could get a night freeze coming Friday into Saturday as well. So if you've already got your sprinkler system on, you may want to put a little blanket on top of the exposed pipes that are above ground. It's going to be an interesting 2 days, Mackenzie.
Absolutely. And to cover the flowers, too, or plants.
Good idea. Good idea.
All right. Thanks, Dave.